Hello guys, today I've got the Samsung Galaxy A57 and I'm going to show you how to use the screen recording feature. To use the screen recording feature, I'll first need to add it to the quick control panel. So scroll down the control panel, notifications, control from the top right corner. And now, as you can see, it will be here. Screen recorder. If you don't see it here, because it should be automatically set here, if you don't see so, you need to here click, wait a moment, where is that? This pen icon over here in the top right corner, and here hit add a control. If you see capture screen recorder, it's here. Tap it and add it. Now let me go back to the screen recorder and tap it. Now as you can see, start recording with screen recorder and some information. We got to record, it can be either partial screen, which we can select, or full screen. We got to record, which can be media and microphone, media or none. We can enable show tabs and touches, and here start recording. With this button you can skip countdown, and as you can see, here I've got multiple tools. Here you can draw to show something, for example. Here we've got this man icon, which is our camera. Front camera, as you can see here, I've got my hand, as we can, for example, record vlogs with it. We can disable it, we can pause our video and resume it, and of course end. Now it's saved. Here let me open gallery, let me open this video, and as you can see, that's it. Goodbye.